Morning golfers, this that money man here. Welcome to another fantastic golf video. Today it's the Chaz Taylor playing a 9-hole solo round. We're at Chickasaw Point Golf Club in Kingston, Oklahoma, and the wind is freaking crazy, y'all. Now normally Chaz is our best golfer. Just wanted to show you guys this video. This is proof that even the best golfers can have off days.
Bunker, but it's not plugged. We like playing at the beach. Ooh! Yep. Yep, you're there though. Great shot. Get up there, get up there. Oh shit. That was fantastic. And the geese are in the background, baby. Got the flyby marker. Right before the bunker, it's right on the fringe. Are you alright? Very nice, Chaz. Very nice. Banana. Good. Beautiful. Great shot. Oh, shit. I don't know why it went left. You were lined up right.
Look, he said you're way too fat, too skinny, way too flat, got stretch marks, skinny. Wanna talk trash cause he's insecure, but girl, don't you see that you're pure? You gotta believe it's a disease. Thinking about
should be somewhere on that green, sir.
Now I'm flowing and planting the seeds. You're someone that somebody needs. Never let them tell you that you're not, cause you are. Don't let them make you look dumb, cause you're smart. You don't never have to act like you're tough. Let me be the one to say that you're enough. Never let them tell you not, cause you are. Don't let them make you look dumb, cause you're smart. You don't never have to act like you're tough. Let me be the one to say that you're enough. You are enough to me. Are you enough?
Right on the friends, look for a ball mark.
Look in the mirror. And ask yourself,
that's definitely yours.
What you wanna do,
Definitely yours.
be enough for you.
Very
Beauty
nice.
is pure
Fix your ball marks,
when
people.
it's for yourself. Who
Be
do you
fantastic.
love
Fix
today?
your ball
reflection
marks.
Show what you do today. Irreplaceable you are today. Love yourself today. Who do you love today? Your reflection show what you do today.
Chaz for par.
Irreplaceable you are today. Love yourself today. Believe in yourself, pull yourself off the shelf. Dust the dirt off your shoulders, yeah. Feel complete in yourself, stop depleting your health. Opportunity
Very nice.
in the air. I know it's a wonderful day. to have fun and keep stressing away. So
One left.
cinema, you are more than a minimum. I just wanna continue to tell you that.
It's gonna be left side, inside cart path.
And way too many that now fake it. And so many have the confidence, but don't really know what it takes.
Chunky. Soup. Yep.
All you gotta do is call. And never leave side. Don't listen to them all.
Yep.
Never
Well,
let them tell you that
bounce
you're not,
went right.
'cause you are. Don't let them make you look dumb, 'cause you're smart. You don't never have to act like you're tough. Let me be the one to say that you're enough. Never let them tell you not, 'cause you are. Don't let them make you look dumb, 'cause you're smart. You don't never
Very
have
nice.
to act like you're tough. Let me be the one to say that you're enough. You are enough to me. Are you enough for you? Look in the mirror
Oh my God.
and ask yourself.
What a drive, Chaz.
You. Be enough for you. The beauty is clearer when it's for
Yeah, that wasn't too good.
Who do you love today? Your reflection show what you do.
That's
today.
out.
Your
Good shot.
reflection for you are today. Love yourself today. Who do you love today? Your reflection show what you do.
Right towards
today.
that,
Your
whatever that is right there.
reflection for you are today. Love yourself today.
You're out of it. Oh, it's gonna go roll left. You should have hit it right. You didn't see the turn. All right, there you go. Good job. Just short. What'd you use? Should have used that 7. You were right. It's okay. It went hard enough. Problem. Oh, we took it back on you. Tap it, sir. Tap it. Wow.